All right, we got this on Amazon. We already cut up some onions with it, but we're going to chop up some carrots with this, and we're going to show you how it works. Also, it has like a lock on it, so if you, I think you can turn this, or maybe you can, yeah, like that. So now it's locked in this position. Follow me, you see that? Now if I turn it like this, it pops up, and then you can do this. So if you don't want your kids to, look at this, watch. It kind of spins, so it's always a different spot. You follow me? So to lock it, you go like that and turn it, and bam. And then it's all locked out. Unlock it, pop. And notice how it spins every time. So each time you chop, it's got like, it's not the same. You know what I mean? Because otherwise it wouldn't work, right? So it's got to spin. All right. Some of them have weird things on them. I'm going to just do one carrot. Here we go. Let's see what happens. That's not too bad. Yeah, that'll do that job. Let's try it.
Yeah. I want them small, so something like that is good. Less than that. More than that. I'm gonna let him chop. I don't think that's good. You need to probably.
The thing works great.
That's good. You should do all these then. If you're gonna do it in film, do it. You've got one hand chopping, one hand filming. My daughter just got home at 8 o'clock. She's upstairs with
Oh, shoot.
our other dog. Yeah.
That's not good. So you're going to notice that you may have some problems with the carrots. But it does kind of do it. Let's see. Let's see if I can get them to pop out. One more. Got it. All right, that's not too bad. I mean, carrots do get caught in there, so be advised. All right, so I have arranged my carrots in 3 and 4 groups. I'm going to attempt to do it without getting them caught. Okay, good. So that's the secret. You want to do 4s.
Yeah.
I think I'm doing good.
You are. I wanted to know if they like that, but I always don't.
You might have to do them because they get stuck up in there, but
I know, but that works. Keep going. You're doing a good job. Keep it up. Now that you started.
all right, looks good. Do you want me to do all these carrots?
Yeah.
Oh my God. They are organic carrots, apparently. So I'm doing them like in 4s. You follow me? So it's like, here we go. Ready? She doesn't want me to make them too chopped up. Got a full carrot stuck in there. So, yeah, see how that got caught in there? See if I can get it out. Yeah, pretty good. All right, that looks good. All right, so anyway, that is how you chop up the carrots in this thing. All right, here is all the carrots. This is going to be very carroty.
Like,
What do you mean? I caught them. How could you be late?
really? Yeah.
Yeah, we're basically frying all the vegetables.